right now we're heading out. We're gonna go take the boat out. We got off work early. We got clear skies right now, and we're gonna take advantage of it. We got him on a little rattling jig. I think it's like candy grass color is the name, and it's on a PB&J 6 cents crawl. So yeah, tough little bass. You got. What the heck? Dude.
Watch, it's a gator.
No, it's not. He's a big old one. Oh, 2,000 reel.
Oh.
This might be close to full. There you go, see?
Yeah.
I think we can
Well,
set up. Ready?
yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Head back down.
Okay.
Definitely died.
Poor guy. He's so heavy.
Yeah. Dude. Heck yeah, dude. What is up? Good network. God, that is the most random. We came up on some brush along this line of rocks and get destroyed. And here's the culprit. There it is. Nice 32. Really pretty. Great color. Let's get him on. Give him a full-on measure. Nose to tail. Inch to inch. We're sitting right at 32. Alrighty, here we go. Look at that guy. I had him on a 7.6 medium rod with a 2000 20-pound braid and then 15-pound mono leader. Talk about random. Oh, there he goes. Alright, well, that turned out way better than I thought it was gonna. Ended up getting a little bass and then that bull red, and yeah, we'll come back out and see if we can do it again soon.